Why Max Speed Wi-Fi Dock 5G01? First time setup guide. Step 1. What to prepare. Speed Wi-Fi Dock 5G01 main unit. Dock, AC adapter sold separately, SIM card, SIM ejector pin. Step 2. Pull out the SIM tray. Turn the device display side down. Insert the tip of the pin into the hole of the SIM tray and pull out the SIM tray. Step 3. Insert the SIM card. Place the SIM card with the O logo side facing up. Insert it into the SIM tray, then insert the SIM tray into the device. Step 4. Turn on the power. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Step 5. Wi-Fi setup. On the home screen, open the main menu. Select Wi-Fi gives connect with QR code and display the QR code. Then scan the QR code with your phone camera and it will automatically connect it to the Wi-Fi. Step 6. Set device to the dock. Connect the USB Type-C to a C adapter. Plug it into a power outlet. Set the device into the dock. Then wait for the power on. Step 7. Complete. You can now enjoy the internet with high-speed Wi-Fi. Please see the setup video for detailed Wi-Fi settings for each model.